Good morning, everybody. It's me, Emma T. I am so excited. I'm vlogging today. It is Wednesday, February 3rd. We got some stuff planned, kind of. But here's the fit. I have a sweater vest I got from Goodwill, white turtleneck from Shein. I have my mom jeans, and then Docs. I have to make a Target run later. I ran out of almond milk, so gotta get that. Gotta get some other stuff like for tacos, because I think I'm having tacos tonight with Hannah. Last night we were gonna have tacos and then we just ended up getting Chick-fil-A, so oh my god, this is so crazy. So they kind of like missed my order, but they gave me like this like kind of gift card, like redeemable gift card thing where you can like redeem it for like a cookie or a brownie. So that was really, I mean, Chick-fil-A, if you want to mess up my order like a couple more times, I won't mind. But yeah, that was something crazy that happened last night. By the time you guys watch this, I will have had my what I eat in a day vlog video posted, so make sure to go watch that. It's kind of chaotic to say the least, but I make a coffee recipe. I try that, and it's some fun with friends. It's my first vlog in Chicago, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna go and text Hannah and see what she wants to do, and I will check back in when I do something else. We're going to Target. I have a list. It's me. I didn't vlog in Target or on the way back, but here's a clip of me walking into Target. I just got dripped on the ceiling. I hope they don't yell at me for taking a video in the store. Coffee time! Cup.
Coffee in a cardboard cup.
Oh wait. This is how I'm making it. I hope it's good. Need coffee.
I'm in a cup.
Wait. You need almond milk or regular milk, whatever you drink. You need this stuff. I hope this doesn't taste like shit. I'm putting this in. Syrup.
Marijuana!
You need ice. I'm not gonna fill this up like too much, just halfway. Hey, you're on candid camera. This is Amber. She's my bestie for the rusty. She hates me.
I didn't deny it.
Thanks. One eternity later. This is gonna be my thumbnail. Perfect.
Well.
I'm gonna put this in. I got sugar-free, what the fuck? Well, that's highly upsetting. Okay, that, and then the Nut Pods almond coconut creamer. This is gonna be very interesting to see what this tastes like. Oh, I'm nervous to drink this. I think I put too much caramel syrup, but it's not gonna stop me. Oh, I don't know about that one. I might have to buy a different syrup. Also, I look great right now. Hold on. I need to take pictures of myself. I look so cute. I'm very excited. I have a bunch of like video ideas that I'm gonna come with and that I'm gonna do some fun vlogs. I have PT at 1 o'clock, so I'm really kind of sad because I have to take off my outfit and I look great, so I'm pretty upsetty spaghetti about that. But I'm working out today. I'm gonna have some tacos for dinner, and I have recruitment tonight for my sorority, and I'm so excited. Okay, so I have PT in a couple, like a half hour. I'm gonna take a couple pictures for my fashion account, which you can follow on Instagram, and yeah, now we're gonna take some pictures. I'm back from PT. Now I'm making lunch before my only class of the day. I'm just gonna have some peanut butter toast. I I love peanut butter. I love toast. Oh my god, your hair's in my toast.
I'm the snack.
So true, bestie. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Me and Amber are running our scene now. It's not gonna go well.
Not at all.
I don't know what the fuck is happening. Is that man okay? All right, bye, see you later. Hello. Are you ready? Say hi to the vlog.
I love.
This is Hannah.
I was in the
Bestie.
background while she was making her smoothie. In
Yeah,
her last video.
it's true. She made a short appearance. By the way, just in case people are like, oh my god, you're taking off your mask, we're in a bubble, and we only, like, we only see each other. Like, that's not an exaggeration. So I promise this is like us being safe, where it's like with the school and everything. All right, time for class. See you when we work out. Ladies and gentlemen, time to work out, and we're doing Miss Madfit. Madfit. We love her. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, me and Hannah do a workout because we want to work out.
We want to feel good about
We
ourselves.
want to feel good. But yeah, it's super exciting. And roll the clip. We finished our workout, and now I'm gonna go shower, and then we're going to come back, and we'll be having tacos for dinner. Taco Wednesday. Y'all, I don't know if you can see it anymore, or if the camera will even do it justice, but this sunset, wow. You like can't really tell in that video, but it was so pretty. Welcome to Cooking with Hannah and Emma. Yay! Jazz hands! Jazz hands! Tonight, we're making tacos and Hannah's making nachos. All right, time to separate the tomatoes from the good ones and the bad ones.
Put it in a baggie.
Thanks, Mom.
Welcome.
Hannah's basically my mom at school, if I'm being honest, because I am incapable of caring for myself. Alrighty, I'm back with more food update. Our taco meat. Over here, we have nachos. I have to flip my tortilla. And then over here, I have my tomatoes cut in half. Taco number 1. 10 out of 10. How would you rate your taco?
In my belly, it's delicious. 10 out of 10.
Absolutely. Taco number 2. If anybody's wondering, you're probably not, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. The things I put in my tacos are meat, tomatoes, and sour cream.
Delicious. Do you know what you
Nobody's allowed to make fun of me, because I know it's weird. But that's just the consequences we're gonna have to deal with today. All right, so this is the end of the vlog. I am pretty much done for the night with everything. I'm just gonna hang out with my roommates, have some fun. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.